The 10 jobs that will be gone by 2030. As we delve into the impact of artificial intelligence on jobs by 2030, it's crucial to recognize the significance of AI advancements in the workplace. These technologies are not just reshaping how we work, they are redefining entire industries and job roles. This video aims to explore 10 specific jobs that are at risk of being replaced by AI, shedding light on the potential shifts in employment landscapes. In today's rapidly changing job market, understanding these dynamics is more relevant than ever. With automation and AI becoming increasingly integrated into various sectors, workers must be aware of the evolving demands and the skills that will be necessary for future employment. By examining these trends, we hope to equip viewers with insights that can help them navigate their careers in an era where AI plays a pivotal role in shaping job opportunities and challenges. AI is significantly transforming content creation roles, marking a notable evolution with tools like ChatGPT and Jasper. These advanced AI systems have emerged as powerful allies for writers, capable of generating high-quality content quickly and efficiently. By automating routine tasks, such as drafting, editing, and even brainstorming ideas, AI allows human creators to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their work. This shift not only enhances productivity, but also opens up new avenues for innovation in storytelling and content strategy. However, the implications for human content creators are profound. As AI takes on more responsibilities, there is a growing need for writers to adapt and refine their skills. Emphasizing creativity, emotional intelligence, and unique perspectives will be essential for standing out in an increasingly automated landscape. Ultimately, the collaboration between AI and human creators could lead to a richer, more diverse content ecosystem. The impact of AI on traditional retail sales roles is profound, particularly with the rise of online shopping and automated checkout systems. As consumers increasingly turn to e-commerce platforms, the need for in-store sales personnel diminishes, leading to a significant shift in retail dynamics. Technology empowers consumers by providing them with tools to make independent shopping decisions, such as personalized recommendations and price comparisons, which further reduces reliance on the sales staff. In this tech-driven shopping environment, traditional retail jobs face uncertainty as automation and AI streamline operations and enhance customer experiences. While some roles may become obsolete, new opportunities may arise in areas such as customer experience management and tech support. Retail workers will need to adapt by developing skills that complement technology, focusing on areas where human interaction and expertise remain invaluable. The future of retail jobs will likely involve a blend of technology and human insight, creating a new landscape for employment. AI is making significant inroads into creative professions, such as video editing and graphic design, with tools like Magisto and DALL-E 2 leading the charge. These AI-powered platforms assist in creative tasks by automating processes and generating high-quality visuals and videos, enabling creators to produce content more efficiently. For instance, Magisto can analyze footage and create polished videos in minutes, while DALL-E 2 generates stunning images from simple text prompts. However, this technological advancement presents challenges for human creatives who must adapt to an evolving landscape. As AI takes on more creative responsibilities, professionals may find it necessary to redefine their roles, focusing on unique artistic vision and storytelling that machines cannot replicate. The balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and maintaining the human touch and creativity will be crucial for success in this rapidly changing environment, pushing creatives to innovate and enhance their skills continuously. AI is significantly transforming administrative roles in the legal field by automating various tasks traditionally performed by legal professionals. For instance, AI can streamline document review processes, quickly analyzing large volumes of text to identify relevant information, which enhances efficiency and accuracy. This automation has profound implications for legal assistants and paralegals, as their roles may evolve or diminish in the job market due to the increasing capabilities of AI technologies. As law firms increasingly rely on these tools to improve productivity and reduce costs, the demand for traditional administrative roles may decline. However, this shift also presents opportunities for legal professionals to focus on more complex tasks that require critical thinking and human judgment. Embracing technology will be essential for those in the legal field, as adapting to these changes can lead to new roles that leverage both legal expertise and technological proficiency in a rapidly evolving landscape. AI is playing a transformative role in medical imaging and diagnostics by utilizing advanced algorithms to analyze medical images for disease detection. These algorithms can process vast amounts of data from X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, identifying patterns and anomalies that may indicate various health conditions. The potential for AI to surpass human capabilities in radiology is significant, as these systems can deliver faster and often more accurate diagnoses, reducing the likelihood of human error. However, this advancement raises important questions about the future of medical professionals in the field. While AI can enhance diagnostic accuracy and efficiency, it is unlikely to replace radiologists entirely. Instead, the role of medical professionals may shift towards collaboration with AI, focusing on interpreting results, patient care, and complex decision-making. Embracing AI as a tool rather than a replacement will be crucial for radiologists and other medical professionals as they navigate this evolving landscape. The transformation of data analysis roles due to AI is profound, as these technologies excel at processing large data sets and identifying patterns with remarkable efficiency. AI algorithms can sift through vast amounts of information, uncovering insights that would take human analysts significantly longer to detect. This capability raises the potential for AI to replace lower-level data analysis tasks, such as data cleaning and basic reporting, which are often time-consuming and repetitive. As a result, data analysts may find their roles shifting towards more strategic functions that require critical thinking and creativity. The evolving landscape necessitates a new skill set for data analysts, emphasizing proficiency in AI tools, data interpretation, and advanced statistical methods. Additionally, strong communication skills will be essential for conveying complex findings to stakeholders. Embracing these changes will enable data professionals to remain relevant and valuable in an increasingly automated and data-driven world. The impact of AI on programming and coding jobs is becoming increasingly significant, with tools like GitHub Copilot and Tabnine leading the way in assisting with code generation and debugging. These AI-powered platforms enhance developers' productivity by automating routine coding tasks, suggesting code snippets, and identifying bugs more efficiently than manual methods. As a result, programmers can focus on higher-level problem-solving and creative aspects of software development, leading to substantial efficiency gains. However, this shift raises questions about the future job landscape for programmers and coders. While some entry-level positions may diminish due to automation, the demand for skilled developers who can leverage AI tools and integrate them into their workflows will likely grow. The future will require programmers to adapt by enhancing their technical skills and embracing AI as a collaborative partner, ultimately reshaping the nature of coding jobs in a technology-driven environment. The integration of robots and AI in fast food operations is transforming service roles within the industry. Automated systems are increasingly being utilized for tasks such as order taking, food preparation, and even cooking, streamlining processes and enhancing efficiency. This technological advancement allows for greater consistency in service, as machines can perform tasks with precision and speed, reducing wait times and minimizing human error. However, the rise of automation in fast food also raises important implications for employment. While some roles may be displaced, particularly entry-level positions, New opportunities may emerge in areas such as maintenance, programming, and customer experience management. Workers will need to adapt by acquiring new skills that complement automation technologies. Ultimately, the fast food industry is likely to evolve into a hybrid model where human workers and machines collaborate, creating a dynamic environment that prioritizes both efficiency and quality service. The impact of technology on warehouse and manufacturing jobs is profound, particularly with the increasing use of robots in operations. Companies like Amazon have pioneered the integration of robotic systems to streamline processes such as sorting, packing, and inventory management, significantly enhancing efficiency and productivity. While automation can handle repetitive tasks, there remains a crucial balance between human workers and machines. Human oversight is essential for complex decision-making, quality control, and tasks requiring dexterity and problem-solving skills. As technology continues to advance, the future of employment in manufacturing may shift, with a growing demand for workers skilled in operating and maintaining automated systems. This evolution will likely lead to the creation of new roles focused on technology management and data analysis. Ultimately, embracing automation while investing in workforce development will be key to ensuring that human workers remain integral to the manufacturing and warehouse sectors in a tech-driven landscape. AI is reshaping the legal profession in significant ways, particularly through its ability to predict legal outcomes and assist with document analysis. Advanced algorithms can analyze vast amounts of case law and legal documents, providing insights that help lawyers make informed decisions and strategize effectively. This capability not only enhances the accuracy of legal predictions, but also streamlines the research process. Furthermore, AI has the potential to automate repetitive legal tasks, such as contract review and due diligence, allowing lawyers to focus on more complex and strategic aspects of their work. However, this shift presents challenges for entry-level lawyers, as traditional roles may evolve or diminish in response to automation. Aspiring legal professionals will need to adapt by developing skills in technology and data analysis, positioning themselves to thrive in a changing landscape where collaboration with AI becomes essential for success in the legal field. In this video, we explored the critical topic of AI's impact on the job market, specifically highlighting 10 jobs at risk of being replaced by AI by 2030. These roles span various industries, including retail, administrative positions, and even creative professions, underscoring the widespread influence of automation. As we navigate this evolving landscape, we encourage viewers to reflect on the implications of AI in their own careers and consider how they can adapt to remain relevant in a technology-driven world. Understanding these changes is essential for future job security and career growth. If you found this discussion insightful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Together, we can stay informed and prepared for the challenges and opportunities that AI presents in the workforce of tomorrow.